Oh my god. Is he serious? Two drills, toilet paper roll. What the heck?
The batteries were surprisingly powerful.
What is happening? What is he doing?
Did you see the cost of motors going back in?
What the heck?
Yeah, everyone's using it. There's a guy in Arkansas, he said, you can't keep it in stock. I was like, who's buying lumber? He said, everyone's buying lumber. Okay.
What the heck is he doing? With our toilet paper. What?
Do you know the free price?
Hey, babe. What are you doing? What are you doing over here?
We always do this.
Who's we?
I do this for us, always.
Everyone.
What are you talking about? What do you do?
We take the 2-ply, we make 2 rolls out of it. That's why you get the 2-ply. Have you never noticed?
Are you kidding me?
The 2-ply is like...
No, you've been doing this to our toilet paper?
The 2-ply roll is 60 cents more expensive than the
What is-
one single ply. But with a 2-ply roll, you get 2 toilet paper rolls.
Babe, then you just have to use more. Then you just use more toilet paper and you just run out twice as fast.
Nope, not true. So this will split into 2 rolls, and then you're getting 2 rolls for the price of 1.
You've been doing this?
Can you, hun?
You've been doing this
This is
to our
the hardest-
toilet paper the whole time?
Yes.
I've been wondering where the good toilet paper is. I thought you were like stealing it and using it
No,
for yourself.
you are using the good toilet paper,
I thought
but
you
you're
were-
using half of it because it's single ply then, because you, let me please,
No. Okay.
we've been doing this since pandemic, since the toilet paper thing. We got twice the amount of toilet paper that everyone else did because we had it.
That's not, but then like, you don't understand. Then you just, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's working. Look at that. It's splitting up here at the top. You've been doing this to our toilet paper. Look at him concentrating. Look at him concentrating. I can't tell if you're like a genius or just super cheap.
I'm saving you so much money. What do you?